This is one of a kind homemade sawmill. We got 11 horsepower motor, on 2,500 pound winch, motorcycle tires, 1.5-inch blade. Well, this here's the drag back. It goes up and down. Oops. I'm gonna kill myself first. It goes up and down by that winch. This is cheese. You sit on it, ride it back and forth as you make your cut. This is controls. Battery box. Here's our motor for our auto feed. This is just number 30 bicycle chain. Goes all the way down the track. I only cut 10 foot, but it seems to be fine for the moment. This is my jack shaft. It's 11 horsepower motor. This is my clutch system here. My dogs are just pretty simple. They both, and this is by far the biggest log that I've cut so far, which it handles pretty well with these blades. I'm not sponsored or nothing, but these blades are Whipper 37s, and man, are they sharp. They will sure enough cut some wood. But I've got approximately $500 in the sawmill altogether. This is pallet racking material here. This is a lawnmower frame to start with. This was narrowed it and shortened it. 178-inch blade. Yeah, it's just my baby. About a 9-month project in the making.